change in the material's look or feel. A reversible change does not lead to the creation of any new material. Common processes showing reversible changes. Melting.
Ma'am, page number
Yes.
what, ma'am?
Page number 1.
Page number 1.
Page number 1.
Melting. Generally, the process of melting can be reversed in substances. Melted chocolate can be reformed into its solid form by cooling or subjecting it to low temperature. Freezing. Generally, the process of freezing.
Srihit,
Yes.
we'll give chance to others also to read. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Joshit, do you have the book with you? Joshit, keep your camera on.
Unit 4, floor above.
Unit 2, page number 1.
Ma'am, wait, I'll bring, ma'am.
I ask you all to keep your books with you. Yes. Yes, Ronnie, do you have the book with you? Unit 2?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Start reading.
Ma'am, from starting.
They have finished. Page 1.
Took all 3 units, ma'am. Ma'am, you should read reversible.
Yes.
The change in which the product form cannot be converted back to the original substance known as irreversible. An irreversible change is a change that cannot be undone or reverted. Irreversible changes are permanent change. Common process showing irreversible change: burning. The process of burning wood and leaves create ash and smoke. We cannot change the ash and the smoke back to the wood or leaf. Heating. Heating can cause an irreversible change. For example, if we heat a raw egg for about 10 minutes to cook it, the cooked egg cannot be changed back to raw egg again. Baking. We cannot get the ingredients added cake back after the cake is baked. Some other examples of irreversible changes that we experience in our day-to-day life are: a rusted nail cannot be made bright and shiny again. Curd once prepared cannot be converted to milk.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
The
thank you.
sparkler that is
Yes, thank you. Yes, ma'am. Jashwant, do you have the book with you?
no, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine. Yes, Agastya?
Ma'am?
Yeah, do you have the book with you?
No, ma'am.
Why you haven't bought the books? You buy it or you are not bringing it? Do you have the books? Yes, Harsh? Yes, from girls, Aishwita? Aishwita is not joined with audio. Nivedita? Nivedita, switch on your cam. Yes, Manogna, you can continue.
Common process showing irreversible changes. Burning. The process of burning wood and leaves create ash and smoke. We cannot change the ash and the smoke back to wood or leaf. Heating. Heating can cause an irreversible change. For example, if we heat a raw egg for about 10 minutes to cook it, the cooked egg cannot be changed back into raw egg again. Baking. We cannot get the ingredients added in a cake back after the cake is baked. Some other examples of irreversible changes that we experience in our day-to-day life are: a rusted nail cannot be made bright and shiny again. Curd once prepared cannot be converted into milk. The sparkle that is burned cannot get back to its original form. Fast
Okay,
and
Manogna.
slow changes.
Yeah, Manogna. Thank you, Manogna. Yes, Hanvita?
Yes, ma'am.
Hanvita, can you read from there? Fast and slow changes.
Ma'am, page number.
Of cactus, opening of drawers of a
cabin,
Cabinet.
dropped off an object from the top of a building, melting of ice, burning of sparkles,
Sparklers.
breaking of glass, tearing of paper, cracking a nut.
Okay, good. Yes. Srikshita. Srikshita. Srikshita, read out the slow changes. Read the slow changes, Srikshita.
Slow changes.
Mom, can I read?
Let her read it. Srikshita.
This change happens in a period of some days of year. Usually slow
Shikshita, your voice is stucking.
You can join again, ma.
These changes happen in a period of some days, months, or years. Usually, slow changes are natural and do not require any external for the change to happen. Slow changes are always irreversible.
Okay,
Some
Harsh, thank you.
examples of
Yeah,
slow changes
Harsh,
are.
Harsh.
Ma'am, can I read?
Harsh.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma. Read. Yes. Start.
ma'am, can I read?
No, ma. You have finished. Let others read. You have to give the chance to others also.
Jashwant, you can read examples, no?
Bharadwaja.
Ma'am, can I read, ma'am? Okay.
Ashwin. Yes, ma.
Some examples of slow changes are follows: growth in animals and number, humans, functions of food,
Fermentation of food, rusting of nails.
who is reading, ma'am?
Ashwin.
Reasoning of nails,
Ashwin.
shaping of cut.
Oh, okay. So I'll show you the chart. So you have to tell me what are the reversible and irreversible changes from these.
Ma'am, Jashwant is reading, ma'am, not me.
Okay, I'll allow you to read. Switch on your cam first so that I can see you and recognize, because on the screen I'm sharing the screen and I can't be able to recognize who are there. Okay, if you just switch off your cam. Switch on a cam, everyone. If you have any genuine problem, then that's fine. I'm not forcing you to switch on because Srinika has some problem with her camera. Ashwin, what about you? Switch on your cam. Yes, student. Tell me, what is the first one? Is it a reversible or irreversible? The ice is melting.
Ma'am,
Reversible.
reversible.
How it is reversible? How we can reverse it?
Ma'am, because the ice cube. Ma'am, because the water can be changed back to ice, ma'am, when we freeze it.
Good. And what is the next one? The egg is frying.
Irreversible change.
Reversible one.
Irreversible, ma'am.
Yes,
Reversible.
it is irreversible.
Reversible one.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
not fine, ma'am. I am eating, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay.
Ma'am, you ask anyone, ma'am.
If you are eating, then that's fine. Please mute
Ma'am,
yourself.
you can ask only one by one, no, ma'am. Then it
Mute
will be
yourself.
okay.
Mute yourself.
Ma'am, you
Everyone-
ask one by one, ma'am. Tell first one onwards, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me first one. What is the melting of ice? Doshit? Is it a reversible or irreversible?
Irreversible.
Irreversible. Why it is irreversible?
We melt means no, ma'am.
Hmm.
That's why they do it.
Then again it won't be converted to ice. Yes. Switch on a cam. Yes, Harsh, is it a reversible or irreversible?
Reversible, ma'am. Because after melting again, we can refrigerate and make it ice cube.
Yes. So it is a reversible change. Melting of ice is a reversible change. And yes, Diksha, can you tell me burning of a piece of paper, is it a reversible or irreversible change?
Irreversible, ma'am.
Irreversible. Why? Can you give a reason why it is irreversible? Let her give the answer. Yes, Diksha. Diksha, switch on your cam. Why it is a irreversible change? Yes, Srinika wants to give the answer. Yes, Srinika.
Ma'am, why? Because it is permanent, ma'am.
Yes, it is permanent. If yeah, give me the reason why it is permanent.
Ma'am, why? Because ma'am, can you tell me question again once again?
Burning of a piece of paper, is it a reversible or irreversible change?
Ma'am, it is irreversible, ma'am. Why? Because all, after burning the paper, we can't change again the the burning paper again to paper, ma'am.
Yes, good. So it is a irreversible change. Okay, that's good. You can mute yourself. Yes, Ronit. Ronit,
Ma'am,
yes, switch on your cam, Ronit. Dissolving of salt in water, is it a reversible or irreversible change?
ma'am, irreversible change.
Why?
Ma'am, because the salt dissolved in water, we cannot. Return.
Yes, anyone? Is it a reversible or irreversible change? Yes, Harsh. Yeah, 1 second.
Ma'am, it's ma'am, dissolving salt in water.
Yes.
It's reversible change, ma'am. By evaporating, we can.
Yes, good. By evaporating, we can get back the salt.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Yes, Hitansh. Just 1 second, Hitansh. Yes, Vilohit. Vilohit, can you tell me? Melting of a chocolate, it is a reversible or reversible change?
Ma'am, irreversible.
Why it is irreversible?
Ma'am, it's once it's melted, it can't be get back, ma'am.
We can't get back the chocolate. Yes, Hitansh, is it a reversible or reversible?
Ma'am, reversible change, ma'am. If we melt the chocolate, we can keep in refrigerator and we will get back the chocolate, no, ma'am.
Yes, you can mold it and get the perfect shape back. Okay, so melting of chocolate is a reversible change. It is not irreversible. You have to think first. You haven't done it, I think. Okay, first think before giving any answer, before writing any answer. First think whether it is reversible or irreversible. Especially these fast changes, slow changes, reversible, irreversible changes. These are very tricky type of questions. You have to think and then give the answer. Do not give the answer very fast. First think about it. Okay. Yes. Srikshita, can you just tell me? Melting of ice cream, is it a reversible or reversible change? Melting.
Reversible, ma'am.
Yes, Srikshita?
Reversible, ma'am.
Reversible. If reversible, then tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the reason. Srikshita, give me the reason. Your voice is still not. Srikshita, your voice is not clear, ma. Yes, Hanvita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you tell me?
What, ma'am? Which question?
Baking of cake. A cake mixture, if you're baking a cake, is it a reversible change or irreversible?
Ma'am, it's irreversible, ma'am, because if we bake cake again, we cannot get the flour, the ingredients and all.
Yes, good. Okay, that's fine. I hope you all have understood about this, about reversible and irreversible. Okay. So can anyone just tell me what are reversible changes?
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
What are reversible changes? Can you give me the definition of that?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I?
Prasadna?
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am?
Yes, you can.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Tell me.
ma'am,
You can
reversible
tell me.
means, ma'am, reversible means like if we melt ice, again we can freeze it and it will be solid, ma'am. That means reversible.
No. Just tell me the definition of reversible change. Yes, Manogna. Manogna, can you give me the definition of reversible change? Yes, Harsh.
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes. Hitansh is raising the hand, ma'am. Yes,
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
tell,
yeah,
ma'am?
one
ma'am,
second. One second.
ma'am, when a substance can be converted back to the original substance without forming a new material, such a physical change is called reversible change, ma'am.
Yes, good. Okay, that's fine. Yes, Joshit, can you tell me what is irreversible change?
Irreversible change is called, it will not come back, ma'am.
Okay. Which cannot be reverted back. Those are called as irreversible changes. Okay. Yes. Can you tell me, Harsh, what are fast changes?
ma'am, that happens rapidly and fastly, ma'am.
Okay. Within few
Take a
seconds.
short period of time, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine. Yes. Hanvita, can you tell me what are slow changes?
Ma'am?
Slow changes.
Ma'am, slow changes the change that happens very slowly and will take long period of time.
For example,
Means if someone is baby and to grow to an adult, it will take years, ma'am.
yes, good. Okay, that's fine. It's nice to hear the answers from you. So you all have an idea about the changes which are happening, fast changes, the differences between fast and slow changes, and the differences between reversible and irreversible changes. So is there any doubt in this topic, children?
No, ma'am.
No? Yes. Devishi, can you tell me uh, what is freezing? Yes, Devishi. What is
Ma'am, what is freezing means if we turn water means we can turn liquid into solid, which means if we freeze the liquid into solid, it means it freezes and it become into solid form, and it is known as freezing, ma'am.
at what temperature the water gets freezed?
Ma'am, at 0 degrees, ma'am.